allegations against me, and I had clarified that the property belonged to a nun, and these people were trying to grab the land. They were trying to grab the land. Now, yesterday, this family again has given some clarification. They are now saying that nun was never involved, that I had a restaurant in that property. Now, I want to clarify, there were 3 properties belonging to this nun's family. 129-1, 125 and 6, I'm not sure about that. In 129/1, I had an agreement for sale with one of the sisters, Cecilia Montero. And in that, my friend was running a restaurant called Vanilla. Now, everybody who has gone to Vanilla knows that I never had anything to do with Vanilla, except that the licenses were in my name because I had an agreement of sale. Because of the harassment, I gave it back. Yesterday, she was waving out some documents where my name is there, saying that I've sold it to these builders. Now, she is showing some middle pages where my name is there. Now, माझे मोदेकात दाखवता हिंदूर Agnello Fernandez म्हणून. I might have been a confirming party कित्याक माझो agreement आलो तुजे कडेन म्हणून. She is saying nuns बा कोण नासले. Nuns have got the money. The nun has received her money officially. ते एग्रीमेंटाचेर आसते, ते सेल डिडाचेर आसतले, ते तेणे रिपोर्टरांक दाखोवंक ना. ते नानसांक पयशे मेळल्या वो ना ते दाखोवंक ना हेचेर. The nun is a very gentle person. She was a provincial of a big congregation in Bombay. Now she is blaming one Joan, who happens to be the sister of the Sarpanch. Now Joan got involved because her aunt was a novice at that convent where this nun was staying, and because of it, she tried to help. She took my help also. Now they are asking, आमचे जर इल्लीगल आग्नेलान कित्याक एक्शन घेवंक ना सरपंच आसलो तेन्ना हांव सांगता कित्याक घेवंक ना ते. आय एप्रोच द नन, आय सेड तेणे इल्लें इल्लीगल बांदलां तेका आतां आसूं एक दुरीक घालया आनी तेंकां कितें पयशे सुद्दां घेया तुमी उरलें सोडया तेंकां. एटलिस्ट यू वील नॉट बी एबल टू फायट वीथ दीस पीपल. तुका तेंचे कडेन झगडोंक जावचें ना. ते जर कावर करूया उरलेली प्रॉपर्टी तुका मेळटली. हे आनीक एनकरेजमेंट केला. दुसरे भाव एनकरेजमेंट करता, आनी कोण एनकरेजमेंट करता. द नन गॉट फेड अप एंड सोल्ड इट टू दीस बिल्डर्स. तेका लागून हांवें एक्शन घेवंक नासलें तेजेर. आज दुसरें सांगता, तेका डेमोलिशन येयलेली 2009 आय हॅड स्टॉप्ड इट मिडवे. हांवें स्टॉप केलेली कित्याक तेच सांगून नानांक ते आतां मोडला ते पुरो हें तेंकां दिवया आनी प्रोटेक्ट अदर प्रॉपर्टी. नो, हे दुसरे भाव आनीक बांदूंक दुसरे काजन बांदूंक गेले आनी तेचे आख्खे ग्रॅप करूंक गेले. Not only that, I don't want to be harsh on that young girl who was speaking yesterday. I wish and I hope she has a bright future and she doesn't go up, in the footsteps of her father. I've got another property next to that. One day when sunburn was happening there, I saw somebody from Saligaon has put a shop in my property. Next to that is his wife or somebody else. She has put one shop in my property. And they're selling things during sunburn. So I asked that Saligaon person, कोणें दिला? दानून दिला म्हणटा. So I confronted him. तो आता ना आमी दिलेलें बाट म्हाजें भाडें हांव खाता. दॅट इज वाय आय एम कॉलिंग देम लँड ग्रॅबर्स अगेन. ते सांगतात आपणाचे पायक लँड ग्रॅबर म्हटलं. आय एम कॉलिंग देम अगेन. आय डिडंट वॉन्ट टू एम्बरेस यू बाय टेलिंग दीस लास्ट टायम. म्हाका आनी परत चॅलेंज करा आनीकूय सांगता खंय तरी लँड ग्रॅबिंग करता पळय ते तुमी. दीस आय विल शो यू. देर वॉज अ हाऊस इन द नेम ऑफ कृष्णा नायक, नंबर 425 फ्रॉम 68-69. ही म्हणटा आम्ही दुसऱ्या घरान रावता. दिस इज द लेटेस्ट इलेक्ट्रल रोल. हाऊस नंबर 425. दयानंद नायक, दामिनी नायक, अनुजा नायक, शंकी नायक, दिव्या नायक, दे आर स्टील स्टेइंग इन द सेम हाऊस. इल्लीगल पळय बांदलेले तितून एका फॉरेनराक रेस्टॉरंट चलोवंक दिलेले आनी आतां भाड्याक दवरताले. कितल्यो म्हणून फोटी मारून हे करतले. My job at that time was to protect the nun's property, make sure that nobody cheats the nun. I have done that. I will not allow you to cheat that nun. आता तुम्ही बिल्डराक फोटो जाल्यार म्हाका पडलेले ना. I have done my job at that time. तुम्ही बिल्डराक फोटो हाय हांव तेजी बिल्डराची सायड घेवपाचो. बट when the nun was involved, I took her side. I helped them nun. आयज पासून हांव म्हणटा तुम्ही लँड ग्रॅबर्स ही प्रॉपर्टी तुमची केन्नाच नासली. तुमची ते म्हणटा आमी केन्नाच पळोवंक ना म्हणून ही माजरीक. तुम्ही पळोवंक ना म्हणून तुमचे भाट जाता नान तर येवंक ना आतां हांव त्या भाटान नासलो म्हाज्या भाटान शॉप घातलें तुमी ते आसा म्हणून तांकां दिसता कितें आपणाचे जो कितले भाटान दिसता तितलें आपणाची आमी यूज करची म्हणून दॅट इज नॉट हाव द लॉ वर्क्स आनी तुमी पळय म्हणटा गणेश हांव गेला तिंगेर गणेशांक हांव जाणा हिंच्या घरान आनी शेजारी जाणा हिंच्या घरान आहा पळय ते नाव पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी विच इज डेमोलिश्ड बिलोंग्स टू द काजन द काजन्स हॅव मेड अ डील विथ द बिल्डर्स बिल्डर कडेन डील करून गेले ते पयशे घेवन एक पळय मोडला पळय ते कित्याक दे नो दे इन द रॉंग दीस पीपल आर स्टील ट्रायंग टू ग्रॅब I have no problem. The builder, तो भायलो builder, माझो कोणूच नव्हतो. And I still say, हांव नकोच. There is a agreement or something which I have signed, which was showing. There was a guy called Sandeep who had come. He was a power of attorney holder, I think, for this builder. And again, I'm telling you, I cannot pronounce his name. I've never met that builder. I only had an agreement of sale for that property where my friend was running a restaurant. And the harassment लागून बंद केला. She has grabbed, the father has grabbed this property. Trying to grab. आम्ही लँड ग्रॅबर ना म्हणटा बिकॉज यू आर नॉट सक्सेसफूल ते तुमचे लँड ग्रॅबिंग जावंक ना बट यू ऑल ट्रायड अँड लकीली द कोर्ट्स हॅज इंटरव्हीन त्यांचे कसलेच डॉक्युमेंट ना द प्रॉपर्टी बिलोंग टू बेनेडितो फेर्नांडीस हिज सन गॉट इट टू द अग्रमेसर एंड एवरीथिंग इज इन बेनेडितो फेर्नांडीस इज नेम जुआंव कुस्टोदियो फेर्नांडीस इज द सन आणि त्याचे 4 जाण भुरगीं आसलीं चेडो बेनेडित म्हणून पयलोच मेला Cecilia and Osmond Montero are one party. Sister Ita Fernandez is another party, and Anna Lobo is another party. They've all got their money from these builders. हे म्हाका म्हणटा की ती सिस्टर बा कोण नान कोण नासली आग्नेल आसलो जोन आसले जोन इंटरवीन ओनली बिकॉज हर सिस्टर वॉज अ नॉविस अंडर दीस नान हू वॉज अ प्रोविन्शियल तुम्ही लोकांची पादरींची मादरींची देवळांची भाटां खावपाची चिंतू नाका आनी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट द पीपल सरपंच एमएलए टू हेल्प यू तुम्ही जर लोकांची भाटां हांग सोदता आनी तुमकां हांग मेळना म्हणून एमएलएचेर आनी एक्स एमएलएचेर एलिगेशन घालूं नाका आय एम रेडी टू सिट डावन फेस टू फेस विथ देम एंड टेल हाव दे हॅव रॉब्ड इट इवन टुडे ताका सांग यो म्हाज्या फुड्यान वेदर लेट हर आस्क अ फादर पायकी दारू न्ही म्हाज्या भाटान शॉप घातलेले ना ते चोरयां माझ्या भाड्यान शॉप दिवन भाडें घेतला वो ना पळय तें आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू एम्बरेस हर शी सीम्स टू बी अ डिसेंट यंग लेडी आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू बी हार्श ऑन हर आय होप शी हॅज अ ग्रेट फ्युचर फकत पायच्या हितून फुटस्टेपान चलो नाका फादर हॅज बीन डुईंग दीस सो दॅट एलिगेशन अगेन्स्ट मी दॅट का कोण नासले नान नासले हे नासले दॅट इज रॉंग सो नान्स वे देर नान्स सेल डिडाची कॉपी दाखय प्रेसाक तेजेर आसतली हिंचे चॅक नंबर कोणाक गेला पळय तो and none has not given the money to anybody and they have sold it cheaply because they're fed up of the harassment by these people. One of their cousins, their house actually has got 3 families are living in that house. 425, 426 and 420. They are staying there. And what they have done is done encroachment. They have taken partition numbers. 425A in 96, 97. 424A in 95, 96. Partition number घ्याला ह्या घराक आणि ते नंबर काढून त्या घराक दाखवता सेइंग दॅट दिस वॉज द ओल्ड हाऊस द ओल्ड हाऊस इज स्टील देर दे आर नॉट आउट तेणी घरांतली भायर घालल्या घरांतली भायर घालून लोकांचे चुचरे करपाक हे करता दे हॅव गॉट ए ओन हाऊस त्यांचो भाडकार दुसरो ही आनी कोणाची मुनकार्या दे वर ट्रायंग टू ग्रॅब दीस प्रॉपर्टी माधुरीची प्रॉपर्टी ग्रॅब करूंक सोदताली दे डिडंट सक्सीड एंड दॅट इज वाय दे क्रायंग नाव घर अजूनही आहा गणेश हांव गेला गणेशांक 425 यांचे गणेश पुस्तक आणि नाम आसून जाल्यार तुम्ही कोणाच्या भाटान गणेश घर बांदले इल्लिगली आणि गणेश हाडून जोडलो तुळशी जाल्यार तुमचें जाता तें सगळे शेजारी जाणा भाट कोणाचे पळय ते सो बिफोर मेकिंग एलिगेशन्स यू ऑल शूड थिंक ओवर इट तुमची चोरी पचोंक ना म्हणून दुसऱ्यांचेर बेश्टें घालूं नाका इट इज देर दीस इज द लेटेस्ट झेडपी इलेक्शन रोल 425 दे स्टील स्टेइंग इन दॅट हाऊस तुम्ही तो दुसऱ्या घरान रावता जाल्यार तुमचो रोलाचेर हाऊस नंबर येवंक जालो दुसरो दीस प्रूफ इन ऑफ दॅट देर आनी हे घर पळय मोडटा पळय तें भाड्याक दिताले ती एकलो फॉरेनर चलयतालो फाटीं कांय वर्सां फाटीं आनी तो फॉरेनर सोडून गेला
सेल डीडाचे तुम्ही सेल डीड केल्यावर
I had an agreement of sale with one of the parties. And my friend was running this restaurant called Vanilla. Anybody who has been to Vanilla, they will know who was running Vanilla. I was never there. But licenses were in my name. So in the harassment I gave up. So I received my money. Whatever I had given during the agreement of sale, I received my money. I signed something but it was done through a power of attorney. I still don't remember that. It's about 14 years old. I may be a confirming party in that. If they document दाखवलं तर मोदेकात दाखवता माझे नाव हिंदुरा म्हणून. It is said that agreement. So I don't know. I've never met the owner. I don't think anybody has met because I just found out that owner is sitting somewhere else and he's just given power of attorney to somebody. I just heard the name of the owner. That's why I was saying I don't know who the owner is and I can't pronounce his name. Till now I don't know the name of the owner. The Madhyarma कितें म्हणटा पळय तें it's his company. So I've got nothing to do with that. This is one of the property. नानाची नान पळय आहा ते पडलेले दुसरे पाट. There are three properties. Now together they have sold it and they have received their money in check from these builders. One in the Nan's name, one in the other daughter's name. One daughter is in Dubai, one is the Nan, one is in Bombay. All three are there. They are all living. But Nan has begged with those people, please don't get me involved. I've suffered enough from them. I've sold and gone. Please don't get me involved in this one. She is a provincial of a big congregation in Bombay. But they argument that आम्ही केन्नाच पोवंक ना, तुम्ही पोवंक ना म्हणजे तुमचे भाट जाता ते.
Demolition झाला ते as per court order झाले.
Court order. See, in 2007 or 9 when they came for demolition, I stopped it midway. I was MLA that time. I stopped it midway. And I told the owners, let them balance, and we'll see if you can get some money. Protect your other part. And I sent them back. I thought he will stick with that. It encroachment केला तिथून. So they got fed up and sold it. And the builders followed out with that illegal. Because there was already a CRZ demolition order. They went to NGT. In NGT they have lost. And again I'm saying they have lost. Why? Not only because it is illegal. It is not even in their property. त्यांच्याकडे कसलेच डॉक्युमेंट ना. हे पळय त्यांचे इन्व्हेंटरी प्रोसिडींग पळय जाल्या. It is gone from Benedict to João Custodio, from João Custodio to Sister Rita, Cecilia and other people. From this, how do they come to this? आधी यांचो पाय डेप्युटी सरपंच आसलो तेन्ना कितें जातालें फॉर्म 1 and 14. Form 1 and 14 is not a proof of residence. It's in the court everybody knows this. In legal term, Form 1 and 14 does not give you any right. So that they are arguing. माझे म्हणणें कितें तुम्ही बिल्डराक आतां फोटो येता सोदता की म्हाका पडलेलें ना. My job was to protect the Nan at that time. I have done my job. I will not allow you all to rob people, old people like this. तुमचे घर आसतना तुमचे घर नासलें तरी दुसरें and I have done it. And there was one strong BJP supporter that time. I was Congress MLA, but he approached me, sir, मातशें पळय म्हणून help कर म्हणून. I don't want to take names here, but he approached me and I stopped it midway and allowed them to go for this. And hoping that they will stick to that much encouragement. They have encouraged even more. And the cousins काढले. Now the cousins have got, they have settled. They were living in the same house. Cousins have settled with the builders and they have gone. त्यांना घर दिलें, बांधून दिलें. आणि त्यांच्या मध्ये काय झगडे जाताले काजन आणि हे पळय आहा दानो म्हणटा त्यांच्या मध्ये काय झगडे जाता बाट आनी कोणाचे झगडटा हे. सो एंड अगेन दे आर एलिजिंग दॅट हांव नान नासली काय नासली आग्नेल इनवॉल्व आसलो म्हणून. येस आय वॉज इनवॉल्व टू सेव द नान्स प्रॉपर्टी. काल परत ती सांगता हे नान बा कोण नासली आग्नेला निकला म्हणून ते बिल्डराक आग्नेल सांगतालो ते बिल्डराक ओपन म्हणून हांव आयज पासून सांगता हांव ओपन देर इज अ पॉवर एटर्नी होल्डर of some firm of theirs. I've never met the builder till today. I don't know if anybody else has also met him. According to what I heard, that builder does not stay here. He's got a power of attorney and he's very well connected. So I've not met him. And they have followed up with this demolition. It is not Agnel. Agnelan modung na. I didn't break your this. तुमकां कोर्टान सान ऑर्डर येयला ती. NGT सान तुम्ही हे जाले. From CRZ they went to NGT. NGT also they failed. So where is Agnel or Sarpanch or MLA come into this?